You see, as you know, the Gender Park is a first of its kind, a novel concept in the world, and we are planning to operate in a two-way. It's a campus activity and off-campus initiative. See, some of the off-campus initiative like She Taxi, you know that it's well appreciated and well accepted, and basically that's open a sector. Another sector for women in Kerala, a driving sector. Immediately after that, the government of Kerala take up and allow the women, those who want to drive as the drivers in government services. So that's kind of initiative we are planning. See, in the campus, as you know, the huge 24-acre campus is here with infrastructure. So this campus, we have a gender library, which is again efforts of its kind in India, and a gender museum. And WISE Fellowship, we are immediately going to start with Women in Sustainable Entrepreneurship, that is in association with some of the foreign universities, those who are leaders in the entrepreneurship sector. Okay, and then we have an amphitheater and this international convention center. This is what we are structured and built right now. See, the international conference is one of the mandate of Gender Park, where there is a place for dialogue, international dialogue and collaboration, think tankers, knowledge share, and of idea, something like that. So the first ICG that seems that the venue to release the transgender policy for Kerala first time in India. And this conference, I see, too, is focused on sustainable entrepreneurship and social business. Okay, that will come out of with the draft policy of sustainable entrepreneurship policy. If this happen, it's again the first time in India a state come up with a policy for sustainable entrepreneurship and social business. And very recently, the UN Women, by understanding the potential of the Gender Park, they are partnered with equally partnered with the Gender Park, and Gender Park will come up with a South Asian hub for the gender activity, and by that way it's going to be a gender convergence center in South Asia. The government, especially under the leadership of our Minister, Honorable Minister K.K. Shailaja teacher, we are planned a 360-degree approach for the social entrepreneurs. The Kerala, most of the postgraduates are from girls. 70% or 80% of our postgraduates are girls, but they don't get enough space to work on entrepreneurship. So in the idea of entrepreneurship, we want to encourage it, and we want to come up with important things like that, social entrepreneurship and social business. So the Kerala is the best place to promote and discuss the social entrepreneurship and social business. Definitely that will encourage the youth and young girls to become an entrepreneur, especially a social entrepreneur. So we are planning a policy, we are having a dialogue with the national and international best practices, and we have a WISE Fellowship that is again on sustainable entrepreneurship. IWTs is a total solution for the entrepreneurship of women in Kerala. And definitely that will be a big landmark of Malabar and Kerala. In that there is a 10 elements like business incubation center, women startup, women space for the funders and investors to connect with women entrepreneurs, startups. And definitely there is a space to for their sales and service, and to showcase their products and projects and programs, and that will be a one-stop solution for all the women, those who want to do something in Kerala. See, in my 10-year experience, as I was managing director of KSWDC Government of Kerala and the CEO of Gender Park, there are a lot of women who want to do something, but they really don't know what I want to do, when I want to do, where I want to do, how I can do that. This is what they question. So this will be a solution, a one-stop window for all these kind of potential youth educated women. That's what my thoughts.